Here's how to select cells, rows, and columns in Excel. Click on a cell to select it. To select a range of cells, select one and drag over the other cells. To select non-adjacent cells and ranges, hold Ctrl and select the cells. To select an entire column, select the letter. To select an entire row, select the number. To select non-adjacent rows and columns, hold Ctrl and select what you want. To select a list or range, select a cell within the list or range and press Ctrl-A. Click Select All to select the entire worksheet.